Annual Property Tax Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a homeowner struggling with property taxes, Ownwell offers services to help manage and possibly reduce your payments, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's free or guaranteed. The surprising truth is that Ownwell charges fees based on the level of service, and potential savings and success isn't guaranteed. Pricing typically starts with a consultation fee or percentage of savings. Standard review. Services may cost, while full service representation can range from or more, depending on your property and local tax regulations. Some services operate on a contingency model, taking a percentage of any reduced tax amount. What you get: expert review of property assessments, potential reductions, and guidance through appeals. What you give up: fees up front or as a percentage, and time spent gathering documents and interacting with local authorities. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Gather property tax documents and recent assessments. Step 2. Understand your local tax appeal process and timelines. Step 3. Compare Ownwell pricing with potential savings to ensure it's worth the investment. Step 4. Monitor results and feedback to assess effectiveness. You won't believe what happens next if you skip due diligence. Fees may outweigh savings, or appeals could be rejected. The surprising truth is that with careful planning and realistic expectations, Ownwell can help reduce your tax burden while saving time. In conclusion, Ownwell Property Tax Services provide a structured way to potentially lower your taxes. Understanding fees, service levels, and realistic outcomes ensures you get value for your money.